The Monster on the Hill. A story from Japan.
I haven't got any friends. I am so lonely.
Oh, look at that monster. It's got a big nose, big ears, and an ugly face.
And look, it's only got one eye.
Stop! Please don't go away. I'm ugly, but I'm very friendly.
There's a monster on the hill.
It's got one eye, and it's really big. Where is the monster?
Please don't hurt me. I haven't got any friends, and I am so lonely.
We can be your friends, but promise not to eat us.
Eat my friends? Never! I'm happy now. My new friends like me just as I am.